Want to buy a house, but your credit needs some TLC? You aren't alone. Life circumstances and events can unexpectedly happen and feel difficult to climb out of. Don't worry though, we've worked with some of the best lenders and credit repair specialists to understand the best actions you can take to improve your credit score fast. First, let's understand what credit score targets you should set for yourself and what they mean for getting a home loan. Below 580 will be difficult to qualify for most loans and down payment assistance programs. 580 to 620, you're in the game. This will qualify you for some conventional loans like FHA and Fannie Mae loans. 620 to 760, most lenders will lend to you both conforming loans and non-conforming loans. Above 760, most lenders will give you a loan and give you a better interest rate. Cool, so how do you get to your target credit score? Let's start with the most meaningful and easiest things you can do in a single afternoon. If you're currently renting, set up an Esusu account to make your rent payments count towards your credit score. It's easy to sign up at only $3 a month. Some users even report credit score increases of up to 40 points after using Esusu. The next easiest thing you can do is use Experian Boost. This is a free service provided by Experian that confirms your on-time payments for things like utilities, streaming services, rent, and more, and rewards you for your on-time payments. If you do those two things and still have some free time in your afternoon, the last thing you can easily do is request to increase the limits on your current credit cards. With most banks like Chase, you can do this straight from their app or dashboard. You can also call your bank to request a credit limit increase. Raising your credit limit might be counterintuitive, but let me explain why this helps improve your credit score. Your credit score is based on a lot of things, but one of the biggest is called credit usage. This is the ratio of how much credit you are using compared to how much credit is available to you. Typically, you want this to be below 30%. As an example, if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, you want to use less than $3,000 at any given time. By raising your credit limits, you can improve your credit usage ratio instantly. As an example, let's say you have a credit card with a $6,000 limit and a balance of $3,000. Your credit usage ratio is 50%, which is too high and hurting your credit score. As a quick fix, you can ask your bank or credit card company to increase the limit on the card from $6,000 to $10,000. In an instant, your credit usage ratio goes from 50% to 30%. Be careful though. As tempting as more credit might be to use, you should be extremely careful not to use your newfound credit. Keep and reduce your current balance at all costs. Now that you know our 3 biggest tips for improving your credit score, set aside an hour this weekend to do them. For an extensive list of credit improving tips, please use the link in the video description.